Hey guys, it is about a week before Christmas and we are still harvesting from our garden and using these carrots to feed our son with like 100% organic little baby dinners. So check it out and hit that subscribe button. Okay, bye.
To make food for baby Starling. Homemade,
Yeah.
homemade food for baby Starling.
So why are we picking carrots?
Like homemade food for baby Starling.
All right. Well, let's pick a carrot. Let's look at, how do you know it's a big one?
Because
Hold up.
Because you can see it down here.
Let me see.
Down, see?
How big? All right, y'all two can pull that one up, maybe.
I can.
Okay, let's look. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, and there's a little one too. Get that one. Here, stick him back in the ground.
Oh, I don't think it works like that.
It might.
Okay,
Okay, wait. Do we want to get one of these over here? Or okay.
There's two over here.
How big are those? Nice. Okay, put that little guy back in the ground.
Can I pull one?
Okay, we got two good size. They look like French carrots.
1, 2, 3.
All right, you want to look at them, see what color they are? Let me.
This one looks like it might be too small. It's purple.
Purplish.
I think all of these need to wait.
Okay.
Unless we want to just pull. Well, we can look over there. Unless you just want to pull one to the full foot.
It's
how
snowing outside.
Gnarly. Look how gnarly that guy is.
Wow. Wart. Hot, hot, James. What is wrong with this carrot, Dad?
It's just a cool one. Here, be still for a second.
I want to wash this and
Stop.
I want to try them.
Okay. Whoa. Leave these guys? Okay. We're going to wash them up real good before we cook them.
You're cooking them?
We're going to cook them, make them real soft.
So do we pull off the root carrots?
You mean the tops?
What, you mean these? Yeah.
I don't know. You can try one if you want.
The whole carrot itself is over there.
He's talking about these little nozzles. These
Right,
little,
the whole thing is over
Try it. They look like little pieces of plastic.
Is
This
it
is like
good?
a real carrot? I feel like it needs to get washed a little more. Yeah, it looks like Mickey Mouse head. Here we go.
Alright, just peeling this little buddy. And then we're going to boil them up. Gonna blend it up. No spices or anything.
Well, we bought this used at a garage sale and I don't think it works.
Uh-oh.
The food processor really did.
Alright, we figured it out. Look at this guy. What do you think, buddy? He says, oh yeah.
Organic. You ready?
Yeah. Pretty good. Oh. Garden to table. All right, guys, it's that easy.